At Inland County's Legal Services, we give free legal assistance to low-income individuals. Our advice, advocacy, and education are offered in the pursuit of justice and equality. If you have a temporary or permanent disability that makes you unable to work, or if you're blind, or if you are age 65 or older, you may be eligible for SSI benefits. This introduction is the first in a series of 5 short video clips that can help you understand how to get Supplemental Security Income or SSI. If you think you qualify for SSI, these videos will give you a good overview of what to do. In a moment, some of our advocates will explain what SSI is and how you qualify for payments and what you have to do to get the process going. The second video gives you tips on how to prepare for your hearing. In the third video, we'll talk about the hearing you would need to attend at your local Social Security Office of Disability Adjudication and Review. In the fourth video, a chief judge explains exactly what is expected of you at your hearing. The final video tells you about Inland County's legal services, who we are, what we do, and why. Supplemental Security Income is a federal disability benefit for individuals who cannot work. Monthly benefits are provided to those in the program. First, let's see if you might qualify for SSI, which is administered by the Social Security Administration, using the same rules and procedures as for Social Security disability and retirement benefits.
Every SSI case is unique. Depending on the circumstances or the person's physical or mental impairments, there are guidelines that are set by the Social Security Administration that show us what needs to be proven for that particular case. There are requirements that the person be disabled, and there are also financial requirements. A person's home that they live in and one car are exempt, and there are also limits regarding earned and unearned income. For SSI, you have to be disabled for a year or more, or if it's likely that it results in your death, you may qualify for SSI. It is important, although not required, that you provide medical records. It is important because that can help prove that you are disabled. So you need to make sure that the Social Security Administration has a copy of your medical records. SSI is given when a person can prove that they cannot perform any job, not just their past job. There are formulas that the Social Security Administration uses to determine whether a person can be retrained to learn a different job, and that depends on a person's age, education level, and also their physical or mental impairments. If a person qualifies for SSI, they're going to get a monthly benefit payment. This monthly amount can change every year, either up or down. The person also receives Medi-Cal with no share of cost, but in California, the person cannot also receive food stamps. At your hearing, you can have representation by a private attorney, or you can try to get assistance from a legal aid organization. You are not limited to having that type of representation. You can also represent yourself or have a family member or a friend represent you. Although it is recommended that you get someone who is experienced with the SSI hearing process. If you do get an attorney, the attorney-client privilege prevents an attorney or his or her staff from disclosing information that you provide in confidence without your permission.
So, do you think you qualify for Supplemental Security Income? If the answer is yes, then go to the next step and click on the video entitled Preparing for Your SSI Hearing.